Dependable durable pump. Made with durable cast iron construction to withstand rough operating environments. Every 1200 series pump includes a limit lifetime warranty. Easy installation. The fuel pump has a removable junction box that rotates 180 degrees for ease of electrical wiring and installation in tight spaces. Protection against overheating. Engineered to exceed the industry's most stringent safety standards, the pump is constructed with thermal overload protection to prevent the motor from overheating during abnormal usage. Consistent high performance. 1200 series Fill-Rite pumps are built with Rotary Vane Technology that maintains a consistent flow performance even as components wear from use. Mobile applications. Designed for 12 volts battery-powered bung-mounted transferring from fuel tanks on trailers or trucks, the 1200 series will pull fuel at tank depths of 8 feet and discharge fuel up to heights of 37 feet. The FR1204H is a 12 volts 15 GPM fuel transfer pump that designed as a pump-only model, but does include a 3/4 street elbow, ground wire, wire nuts, and a roll of PTFE tape. This model can be used to pump gasoline, diesel, kerosene, ethanol blends up to 15%, methanol blends up to 15%, and biodiesel up to B20. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Was a little hesitant buying a 15 GPM pump, however I'm glad I went with this. I can pull the truck up in the end of the day and fuel the equipment while I'm cleaning the tracks or letting the turbo cool down. I believe it pumps a little more than 15 gallons per minute. I'm happy with this pump.